Here is Arc app, so let's just take a look at it. AI home design. It's a pretty popular app these days. You know, there are a lot of these AI apps these days, especially AI interior design, but this is one of the top ones. So yeah, here you can just open it up. It's also built by quite well-known app studio, which also built some other popular apps like Photorama, Melodia. So basically the idea is that you can just get some design inspirations using AI. So the idea is that you can just take a photo or upload a photo of your room, and then this app will generate some new interior designs based on your room. So it's quite precise. So for example, if you have bed or table in your room, I will show you right now, it will show exact like location of table and bed. So it's not just like it will show you some ideas of interior design with some random photos. No, it's not gonna do that. But it will show exactly, here's my bed, here is a table in exact locations, and then we'll bring you ideas of some new styles. So there you have it. So let's just take a look. So for example, here is it is. You have 3 scans per day, so you can try to use it for free. But then there is also like yearly access, $40, or weekly access, $5 per week. So there you have it, and that it is interior, exterior. Then you have gray space. Then you can replace it. Then you can just explore, and then there are recents. So yeah, that's what it is. So here, let's just take a look. So for example, here is generate. You can redesign your interior space. You can redesign your exterior space. Just take a photo of your house. You can also create your own space using prompts, or you can just replace, edit, and just try like image editing. So you can just use like your fingers as a brush, and then just, okay, I want to replace this bed. I want to replace this table, whatever, and put something else. So for example, here is interior. Let's just take a look. So for example, if I just will take a photo of whatever, just the bed. And then here, this is just type of room. Okay, this is bedroom. And then you can customize your own style, but that requires pro subscription, or then you can use some styles. Some of the styles are minimalistic, farmhouse, full serenity. As you can see, these are free ones, and then some of them are pro ones, which require a paid subscription. So for example, if I select this and then I just select color, and then it just takes and starts scanning my image. So that's just where it begins. And then as you can see, before and after. So then before you have this, and after it just creates this minimalistic style. So you can see, yeah, so it's pretty close, as you can see. So yes, it really takes into detail your floor, the position of the furniture and things like that. Then you can regenerate it, change it out. So yeah, pretty cool app. It's really gives you some ideas, and you can share it, you can publish it. But if you're a designer and you just really want to get some quick inspiration, you can use this app. It's not perfect, but it will just give you an idea of what you can do with it, what which other furniture you can put, or what else you can try to do about it. So yeah, that's the idea of it. So try it out.